And now it's time for another Wellness 101, How to Survive Allergy Season, presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Ah yes, allergy season, a time where millions of Americans suffer every year. Avoiding seasonal allergens can be nearly impossible, but with a bit of knowledge, planning, and some common sense, many people can limit their suffering. Seasonal triggers. For the most part, seasonal allergies are caused by airborne pollens, or very fine powder, released by trees, grasses, and flowers as they fertilize plants of the same kind. While ragweed is the big offender during the fall, tree pollen usually kicks off the spring suffering during March, followed by flower and grass pollen in April and May, with grass pollen peaking in June. All of this pollen in the air can make it a nightmare for several months throughout the year. Some of the symptoms of seasonal allergies include runny, itchy nose with clear nasal discharge, itchy, watery, red eyes, lethargy, coughing, wheezing, and don't forget itchy ears and throat. Step 1. Consider over-the-counter antihistamines for relief. For many people, these medications are very effective in combating the aforementioned classic allergy symptoms. For even better results, start your allergy medications before your symptoms start. However, it's always a good idea to speak with your doctor about these medications and their side effects. Step 2. Consider saline spray or a neti pot. Saline spray or a neti pot can help rinse out your nasal passages, which will ease your nasal congestion. Both are gentle enough to be used multiple times a day for added relief. Step 3. Keep your windows closed. After a long winter, having your windows open on a balmy night might seem like a nice way to save energy, but it's not great for your allergies. Use air conditioners whenever possible to reduce the amount of pollen-stricken air that can seep into your home with open windows. Step 4. Wear sunglasses outside. Consider wearing sunglasses outside to protect your eyes from outside irritants. You may also want to think about using eye drops when you return inside to help flush out your eye from any pollen that may have permeated in your eyes while you are out. Step 5. Take a shower and change your clothes. Pollen can collect on your clothes and in your hair, so when you've been outside for a significant amount of time, it's a good idea to shower and change your clothes as soon as you get home to remove any pollen that may be on your body from the day. Folks, many of us suffer from seasonal allergies, including yours truly. But we don't have to take it lying down. Remember to take your medications early. Consider a saline solution or a neti pot. Keep your windows closed, regardless of how nice it's been. Wear sunglasses outside. And remember to take a shower and change your clothes immediately when you return home. If you follow these simple steps, you'll not only survive allergy season, you'll thrive. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101.